Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's George. So I'm at the scrap yard and I'm gonna pick some stuff up. So I'm gonna show you what they have and maybe I can find something useful. So there's a lot of nuts and bolts here, and I'm thinking about taking some of these for a project I have in mind. We got some, I believe, 1-inch steel here. Somebody was practicing their welds here. Got some transmissions, some rusted up pipe there. It's about 3/8 of an inch. And I was looking for some angle iron and some square tubing. Not much around here. I could probably use these here. I actually thought that was a plate, but this is a plate. They're about 1 inch. I can make a small heavy duty table there. Probably see if I can get one of these cheap right now. Check that out. There's a lot of toolboxes. Alright guys, so these boxes are $100. Thought they were going to be cheaper, but they're still a good price if you're building a work truck, you know, or a trailer. Pretty sure they're over $500 new. I'm still debating if I should get one just to store stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take some nuts. So I was wondering what these blocks were for. They're about 2 inches. Who knows? So I'm gonna take one of the semi truck wheels here and take a piece of angle. Take some of these bolts, and I'm still looking for another piece of pipe or another project. I'm gonna start picking some of these up. I think for this project I don't need the bolts, so I'll pack a few of these up. Big nuts, smaller nuts, medium nuts, all different kind of nuts. So I'm back from the scrap yard and I'm going to show you exactly what I picked up and what I paid for the stuff. So let's turn the camera over and check the stuff out. All right, so here's a close-up of all the stuff that I picked up. These nuts are 2.5 outside diameter, 2 inches, 1.5, and I got a project in mind for about 40 of these nuts. Now I also picked up some 2-inch angle iron. This is a 2x2, 50 inches, so roughly 4 feet 2 inches, 1/4 inch wall there. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, but it's a nice piece to have there. I got some 1-inch steel, 1-inch round bar. It's 5 feet in length. I got a 5-foot section of 8-inch channel, and this channel is going to be used on the pickup truck bed idea that I have. Got me 2 of these plates, and these are 9 inches and 9 3/8. So I'm calling it 9x18 and another 8x18 piece of plate there. We also have that other piece here. This is 6" by about 6" here, and then 6x4. This is going to be used for testing plasma cutters, or if I have to make let's say another gem pole setup or something that requires thick material. I have that piece of plate there. Got a lot of bolts or all threads, different sizes, different projects, different ideas. I also picked up 2 of these wheels. These are semi-truck wheels. This one has 2 small openings on the side, so it's a lot easier to patch this one up than that one was 5 openings. And the project I had in mind for this was just to put maybe that 1" rod across here and there, put a cooking grate on top, and once I cover the bottom hole there, just put a pipe in the concrete and leave it stationary, like at the parks that they have those adjustable cooking grills, or whatever you want to call them. Picked up these U-bolts. There was 2 of them, and it looks like it has, I don't know if it's like a rubber, or I think it's rubber, easy line pipes. And picked 2 of these up for a project that I've been wanting to do, and I'm gonna use about 40 of these nuts in the same project, so got 2 of these. All right, guys, so now talking about cost. Last time I had a video and I mentioned that I got some square tubing for a few dollars, and some people didn't believe me. So all this material here, the way that I'm gonna pay it back is by taking the equivalent weight of this material back to the guy, or back to the scrapyard. So in other words, if there's 100 pounds of metal, I gotta take 100 pounds of metal. It don't matter if it's small pieces of metal, if it's nuts, sections that I cut off of here, like those doors right here. I have 2 of those doors. Once I finish with those, I'm gonna take them back, and that's how I'm gonna repay all this scrap here. So it was a quick visit to the scrap yard, and I got some stuff. I was hoping for more angle iron and more square tube, and unfortunately this is all that was there. Due to the prices of steel being way up there, a lot of the stuff got taken to the recycle center maybe about a month ago or so. And there was a lot of stuff I wanted. I just didn't have time to stop there, and unfortunately this is all I picked up. And there's also 50 of these on my welding table over there, plus all of these here. But yeah, that's it for the video, guys. It was a quick stop, and hopefully I enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for upcoming projects. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.